channel Motivating Moksha. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sesame seeds milk, and I'll tell you some benefits of sesame seeds. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all the updates.
Now let's see the ingredients. We need 50 grams of white sesame seeds, jaggery, 1 glass of water, and a cotton cloth. First, you have to wash the sesame seeds properly and soak it for 8 hours. I already soaked it. Now, we have to take water from the soaked sesame seeds. You have to take only a bit of water. Don't throw this water. Afterwards, we can use it. Now, we have to pour the soaked sesame seeds in the mixie jar. Sesame milk will have 10 times more calcium than in the normal milk. Now, we have to add the jaggery to the mixie bowl. As this milk is bitter in taste, we should add jaggery which has high amount of iron in it, which is useful for producing good blood cells. After adding the jaggery, we have to grind it. After grinding it, it looks like this. Now we have to place the cotton cloth in the bowl to filter it. Let's pour the milk. Now let's squeeze the milk from the cloth. As this milk is very high in calcium, which is used to build vitamin D in your body to make your bones very strong and improve your immunity. It is very useful for growing children. Sesame seeds are a good source of several nutrients that are important for immune system function, including zinc, selenium, copper, iron, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. At least you have to take once in a week. Don't throw this pulp. We can reuse it by adding water and making into milk again. This is the second time. Now add some water and grind it. We will get the pulp again. We can use it as fertilizers to the plant. I did this smiley with black and white sesame seeds and jaggery. Our healthy milk is ready. It is very healthy and very tasty.
Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.